Hi friends, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. Welcome back to my Paper Pumpkin Alternative Catch-Up series. I'm trying to get back on track with my Paper Pumpkin subscription. I want it to go from this to some beautiful masterpieces. I hope that I can offer you some gentle motivation to catch up yourselves if you're like me. And if you're not like me and you just like the design, why not create something similar with the supplies that you have in your stash? Hey everybody, so this box was called 10 Years of Growth for March 2023. It actually came with 2 stamp sets and a retired color. Now it was retired, but then it wasn't. Polished pink. Actually, it's one of my favorite pinks. So it was a lovely gold foiled wrapped paper pumpkin. And it looked like it celebrated Mother's Day almost, or like some female type of celebration. And there was a lot of gold foiled leaves and gold foiled bookshelf there, and the base of the cards, there was a polka dot one. So this portion of, or part 1 of this week's catch up was me. I actually pre-filmed this back in March of 2023. I think I was inspired and I got an idea and I thought it would be kind of cool, and but I didn't edit it or anything. So this is as far as I got, was this card. So what you can see that I'm doing is I'm cutting out the inside of the window. So the white part of the window. You can see that I'm using an X-Acto knife. It's a craft X-Acto knife. And this was before Stampin' Up! Came out with their craft knife. Since them coming out with the proper, it's like an addition to your Take Your Pick tool. It's a phenomenal tool, and it does many different things. So I really like it. You just have to change the head on it. And I actually use that more often than I use this knife. But it was so funny because I'm like, I need a knife. And then I go pick one up, and then Stampin' Up! Comes out with one, and I'm like, oh, you have to buy things twice. So as you can see, I took all the windows out of that card base. Now I'm using another card base and I'm cutting down this bookshelf. So basically what I'm going to do is paste that bookshelf on the inside of the card and the card with the window, and it's going to look like the window. You can see through the window and see somebody's bookshelf. So I thought it was a funky idea, so I went with it. And funnily enough, when I saw this, I have little file folders on my computer, and I was able to find this video, and I'm like, oh, I don't have to work this hard this week, but I'm not going to let it stop me, you guys. I've talked about gentle motivation. So even though this was it was a treasure found in the data of my computer, I don't give up. I remember hearing some people say in the comments, yeah, I'm dedicating 1 day a week to try to get through my paper pumpkin. I know that some people are taking them as they travel east to visit family. So I'm glad that I'm able to give you some inspiration in completing your derelict and forgotten paper pumpkins. They actually, if anything, they have just even awesome envelopes. Like I'm running out of envelopes right now. So, and I don't send a lot of paper pumpkin. I usually give them to my customers in their free gift when they purchase from me. So I don't actually include envelopes. So one of the nice things is that I have a couple envelopes that I can put in the card box that I have at the salon. And yes, I sell most of my cards at the salon. So if you're local in Kelowna, come on down to the salon. You can go through the card box. And I don't sell them for very much. All right, so you saw what I did there. I put a plant right behind. Doesn't that look cute? I quite like that. You can see right through it. So I stamped "You Deserve the Best," and then I'm cutting the angle there. And then I'm going to sort of affix it. And I think I did it cattywampus. And I did it with a mini glue, dimensional that I think came in the kit. Don't quote me. Trimmed off the excess. And I think that's and I put a little bit more of I cut off one of the ferns and added just a little bit more foliage on the front. So that is my card for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next Thursday, or this coming Thursday, with another card from this kit. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.